You know how easy it is to book an airline ticket or a hotel through the internet? Well, it's that easy to book your carpet, rug, and furniture cleaning with Classic Carpet Cleaning. Now work with us on your time, anytime it's convenient for you, night or day. Just choose the services that you want, tell us the desired quantities, and we'll show you how much it costs and down to the minute how long we'll be in your house so that you can plan your day accordingly. Click the schedule button and voila! We'll show you exactly when we can perform your exact services. Choose a time, tell us who you are, secure that time with a small deposit, just like booking a hotel room. Do it day and night. We know that you're a busy person. There's no need to play telephone tag, fill out forms, swap emails, or wonder when we're available. With our new booking tool, book it and be done. You'll immediately get a confirmation email sent for your review. The next thing you know, we're knocking on your door ready to provide the best quality service in the area. At Classic Carpet Cleaning, we place quality and convenience in the same category.